Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. I'm Yaz, and today we're going to be doing a totally iconic base. We're going to be using some of Iconic London's best-selling products, but we're also going to be using their new Radiant Concealer and Brightening Duos, which I've used and they are amazing. So if you want to see how I get my iconic base, keep on watching. We're going to start our makeup look with the Underglow Blurring Primer, and what I love about this primer is it gives you a subtle glow whilst also blurring out the skin, which is what we need. And this is literally one of my favorite primers to use whenever I do makeup, or even without makeup. It looks amazing on. And I feel like you can already see the difference between this side and this side. Such a subtle glow, but it looks amazing. For this to be a totally iconic base, it's all about the glow. So we're going to be using the Radiance booster. I love this. It's amazing. And I'm using the shade Toffee Glow. This is an all-round liquid radiance, and what I love about it is you can wear it on its own to bring out your skin's natural glow, or you can wear it underneath your makeup. So I'm going to use this underneath my makeup. So today I'm actually going to be wearing this underneath my foundation, as I want my foundation to be nice and glowy. And it's such an easy product to use. I just use my hands to blend it all in, and it blends beautifully. Do you see how nice and radiant my skin looks? It's absolutely stunning. I love, love, love this Radiance booster. Now it's time for the Super Smoother Blurring Skin Tint, and I'm using the shade Golden Deep. The Super Smoother Skin Tint is the perfect product for summer because what I like about it is it's really buildable. So if you want it to be a bit more sheer, you can sheer it out on lighter days. If you want more coverage, you just add more product. It's such an amazing foundation. Doesn't that blend absolutely beautifully onto the skin? What I love about the Super Smoother Blurring Skin Tint is that it's a satin matte finish, so it allows the Underglow Blurring Primer and the Radiance Booster to show through onto your skin, especially after putting foundation on, because sometimes when you put foundation on, it just hides all the primer and the dew, but I love a good dew on my skin, and this product is perfect for that. And it's super long lasting as well, which is a plus because makeup always falls off my face, but with this, it stays on all day. Now it's time for the Radiant Concealer and Brightening Duo, and I'm using the shade Golden Deep. So this is a dual concealer that gives you a bright-eyed, fresh and flawless base, which I love. Let me show you what this side looks like. This is the crayon side. This is the brightening crayon that has subtle luminous pearls to neutralize discoloration, hide dark circles, reduce the look of puffiness, and illuminates the under eye for a bright, wide awake finish. So this is the fluid side, and it gives you a buildable medium to full coverage look without that heavy feeling, which is amazing. And this smooth and balmy texture has an elasticity to it, so you won't have any mid-afternoon dryness on the under eyes, which everybody hates, and this does not do. First, I'm going to go in with the brightener to just brighten the under eyes. So I have dark under eye circles, and the way this performs is amazing. It really just covers up and brightens my under eye. So this is this side. Do you see the difference? I mean, you can see the difference. This side is so much brighter than that side, and I just put the eye brightener on. I didn't use anything else. How amazing is that? Now I'm going to go in with the fluid concealer side. That's the side again with just the fluid concealer, and this side without it. My under eye is visibly brighter. Like, I cannot believe how amazing my under eyes look. Like, someone with dark circles, this just works like a treat. Now I'm going to do this eye. You can also use the concealer to conceal any other areas, such as like the nose, the cupid's bow, which is amazing. And what's amazing is the Radiant Concealer and Brightening Duos have been made to match perfectly with the skin tints, as they literally have a perfect pair. So this is my match. I use Golden Deep in the skin tint and I use Golden Deep in the concealer, and it's just a perfect match. My base is flawless. And you can also use this side to highlight your face as well, anywhere you want a bit of extra brightening. And the thing I love about this is perfect because you don't have to worry about buying extra products or extra concealers to get that brightening effect. You've literally got it all within one product. And this is the finished look. What do you think? This really is a totally iconic base. It gives just the right amount of glow and coverage.